Hi Haley, so yesterday during class we started a new demo. It's called the Diffusion Lab. I think I sent a link to you so you could access it, but I wanted to demonstrate a couple things for you. First of all, in the procedure it talks about how iodine is an indicator. So one thing that I showed to the class was if we can look at the color of the iodine there. What do you notice? It's kind of like an orangish, brownish, something like that. And as it's said in the procedure, an indicator is something that will change color. In our case, it's changing color in the presence of something else. And iodine, it says, is an indicator for starch. So I also have a whole bunch of cornstarch here. And what we will do is put a little bit of cornstarch into the iodine to see what happens. So we would expect that since it's an indicator for starch, that it would change color if it comes into contact with starch. And you can see it completely it lost that orangish, yellowish, brownish color, and now it looks almost black, except for a couple little drops there where it did not touch the starch. But you can also see the drops right there where some starch did come into contact with it. So that's what an indicator is basically, and that's one of the reasons why we use it for staining cells, is that it will stain some parts and make them stand out more. So what we did yesterday, I'm going to do this really easy, quick and easy. We took a beaker and we put 15 drops of iodine in it. It was about that. I'm totally not doing this according to procedure, but don't worry. Just don't tell anybody. Okay. So we want to observe the color. Okay, that's our iodine right there. It's this nice dark yellow. Okay, and we took a plastic baggie, put some starch in it. Ooh, that's a lot. And we put some water in that. It's supposed to be 100 milliliters of water. And I told the class that we were going to put, I think it was 150 milliliters of water in here with 15 drops of iodine. Basically what we're going to do is we're going to put this bag into our beaker of iodine, and we left them there overnight to see what happened. So when we first put them in, there's nothing at all dramatic going on. But we're going to leave it in there overnight and see what happens.